Hi, I want to talk to you today about sleep cycles. It's one of the most important things, or one of the biggest complaints that we hear from patients coming to our office that they struggle with. And there's a lot of different factors that can be involved, but one of the biggest things they struggle with is getting to sleep, and more importantly, staying asleep for the night. A lot of people complaining or mentioning to us that they can wake 3, 4, 5 times a night, and sometimes it can take them 30 to 60 minutes to actually fall back asleep again after they wake up. So I want to give you some tips today that you can implement at home to just try to help improve your sleep patterns, get to sleep in a reasonable time frame, and also be able to hopefully stay asleep during the night as well. There's two major things I want to go through today. The first one are these blue lenses, okay? So it's something I've been using this all year now. Blue light comes off our technology, so our phones, our iPads, the TV emits this blue light. Now, the thing is, blue light to our eyes increases our attention. It kicks off our moods, our reaction times. All these things go up, which is wonderful during the day, and we want to get as much of this much of this light as possible during the day. But what it does, it messes with our melatonin secretion. And melatonin is so important and vital for us during our sleep-wake cycle. So what happens is when our melatonin isn't being released properly, it's very hard to fall asleep. And unfortunately, this blue light, especially into the evening time when it's dark, we're not meant to be getting this light into our eyes. Unfortunately, it messes up our body's ability to switch off. So first tip I'm going to say is get yourself a pair of blue lenses. Mine aren't prescription at all. They're literally just a clear lens. I got mine from the optician, but there's plenty, you can get them online anywhere. And this is going to help you in the evening if you're using technology to not mess with that sleep cycle for you. The second tip I'm going to give you is have a bedtime routine. If you think about your kids, we have a routine for our kids that, maybe 30 minutes before they're due to go to bed, we're bathing, we're doing brushing teeth, we're doing a story, it's all wind down. But we expect then as adults that we can, be on the run all day. We've had a million different jobs to do. We might even be still doing jobs in the evening, doing school lunches or cleaning or whatever might need to be done. And then we expect that within 10 minutes of stopping that we're just going to fall straight to sleep. Unfortunately, for most people, that doesn't happen. So best recommendation is get an evening routine for yourself as well. So maybe 45 minutes, an hour before bed. Stop watching TV. Get off the phone. Even things like reading a book, I would suggest actually, you want to stop doing that a little bit earlier in the evening, so that you're not just sort of reading up until you're due to fall asleep. Especially if it's a book that you're really enjoying, that's very hard to put down then. So we want to start to unwind the brain. Caffeine, snacking late at night, obviously, are obvious tips that we want to just avoid. So even things like herbal teas are going to help calm the system, like the chamomile tea. It'll be fantastic later on in the evening, just to settle the system down. So have a look at investing in a pair of blue lens glasses. Have a look at your bedtime routine at the moment and see how that could be messing up with your ability to get to sleep in the evening. And I'll be back in the next I'll be back shortly and get you some more tips on sleep postures, pillows, different information like that is going to help you get a better night's sleep and be able to stay asleep for longer. Okay. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.